Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting video. Yes, is very interesting because as you can see already, we are making Garri cassava. Oh my goodness, especially us that lives in Obodo Ibo, what we know as abroad. You need this if you want to know how I do this Garri, like how I make it. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. You are going to enjoy the video. So guys, let's get started without taking much time. We have a lot to do in this video. And I want to say a very big thank you and a shout out to Share with Love. Thank you so much. Your video motivated me to do this video because I never thought doing your homemade Garri it will come out perfectly well like this. But when I saw yours, I was so motivated with the color. Like I like Garri when all you catch well. Oh my goodness. So with that one, I think I go try this Garri because even if say we know the pot no go cook or it no go done well, because Garri when not done, if it is soak and go there on top of water. But I never knew that is just like the same, like not the same thing it be. As in this my pot really cook my Garri without being told. You will see it when I was frying it, as in everything came out perfectly well. And if you have not see a Share with Love Garri, I'm going to be dropping the link at the description box. Go and check it out. You will love the Garri. You will love it because now that Garri now hungry me when I go buy my cassava begin the fry Garri for video. So my country people, without taking much time, now only uproot we not go uproot for this video. We get our Garri already. We go come peel them, we go grind them, we'll come fry them. You see, I say we get a lot of things to do here. At this stage, I don't peel them. After peeling, we go wash them, we go come grind them. And I can't take one system where Share with Love use for her video. You first scrape pan with your okra scraper or anything where you take a scrape something. You just scrape pan before you grind them based on your blender, because my blender not too strong like that. I know if you just put the Garri or cut and just put them for my blender, it go spoil them. So my country people, if we don't peel the Garri now, I'll come scrape pan. If I talk, I'll come grind them. You see now waiting I take scrape pan with that one. So everything, just relax, watch this video, make you not miss anything out. If Garri they hungry you for Europe and you don't go Africa store, you don't buy, you never see your choice, my brother, my sister, just go buy cassava. So far you get pot. This my pot, I go recommend that pot be like agbada. If you be if you did do it before, you know it will be agbada. It be like agbada or bogo according to how they call it in the local way. He cook the Garri, oh no, hooray, as in he done. So my country people, I'm not go feature talk everything. You go enjoy the video and you go like and I hope this video will make you go do your Garri as well. Make you not can't get that kind mind when me I get that time when I think say the Garri no they done, like maybe just they be like, you know, done the Garri they don't know he done like this. My old don't scatter, he don't scatter, and I love that Garri. So now only the time you just sacrifice, you just use and do your cassava, then you go get your organic or authentic Garri. If you never do one before, make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end, make you for know how I make my Garri. And before I go leave una, make una enjoy this video, I go salute my new subscribers, my old subscriber, all of una. When they come they watch my video, I say may God bless una, may God bless una for me, may God bless una. And you when they watch us and you want subscribe from this video, I say God will bless you too. God will bless you for all the good things. Make una continue to the support una lady. We are going far. Yes, God will take us far in Jesus' name. So my country people, If you still dey watch me, you never subscribe to this channel, do well and subscribe. You no go regret am at all. You no go say, why I go subscribe to Ladyzion Sweethome. You go enjoy the reason you subscribe to my channel. And if you dey think say, oh, I no get money for card, I for subscribe, they not dey use money they subscribe at all. Now free, absolutely free of charge. The reason why you want subscribe now for you to dey get video for this channel, any video where they put for this channel, now you go be the first person wey go first go watch am. Like you go don't watch am before any other person. Wetin you go do, you just press that button where they say subscribe, e don't go without they not go ask you any card or bank command at all. You go on that bell, you then go ask say all, you go on all the bell, make any video wey enter, you go dey receive everything as I talk am before. And before I go leave una for this place, so if you enjoy the video at last, you like am, you relax with the video, may you give am like, wetin we know as thumbs up, share am to your friends and family, especially us when they live in abroad there or obodo ibo. We when they live for Europe, share and give those people. They don't buy Garri, they don't see their taste. They don't buy Garri, after you buy finish, you no go like wetin you buy. Make it try make EO for house like this, and he go enjoy ram, and he go thank you, say, oh, that video when you sent for me that day, I really like am and I enjoy ram. So now be wetin you go fit do to support me, and I go appreciate you, and God go still bless you too. And if you still dey watch me, you never subscribe, I beg make you subscribe. As I talk, subscribe, you no go regret am. I go see una for my next video. Una bye.